Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to delve into Lost in the Storm, the highly anticipated 2025 release by Juliette Ashbourne. This gripping novel promises to be an extraordinary blend of adventure, mystery, and emotional depth, and we'll explore it step by step. First, let's set the stage with the premise of the book. Lost in the Storm takes readers on a thrilling journey through a tumultuous landscape, both physically and emotionally. The story revolves around the protagonist, Mia, a young woman who finds herself caught in a literal and metaphorical storm. As natural disasters unfold, Mia must confront not only the external chaos, but also her internal struggles. Next, we'll discuss the characters. Juliette Ashbourne has a talent for crafting relatable and multidimensional characters. Mia's journey is further enriched by her interactions with a diverse cast, including her childhood friend Lucas, who re-enters her life just as the storm begins to rage. The evolving dynamics between these characters create an engaging narrative that keeps readers on the edge of their seats. Now, let's delve into the themes presented in Lost in the Storm. One of the prominent themes is resilience in the face of adversity. As Mia battles the forces of nature, she also navigates her personal demons, making her journey not just about survival, but about finding strength and hope in even the darkest times. Additionally, the novel explores themes of friendship, love, and the impact of choices we make when life gets tough. Moving on to the writing style, Ashbourne's prose is both lyrical and accessible, drawing readers into Mia's world with vivid imagery and emotive language. The way she describes the storm's chaos parallels the turmoil within her characters, creating a powerful connection that resonates throughout the narrative. As we approach the conclusion of Lost in the Storm, readers can expect a heart-pounding climax that will have them questioning not just what will happen next, but also reflecting on their own lives. The resolution forces Mia to confront her past and ultimately embrace the future, leaving a lasting impression on the audience. Remember, we are just scratching the surface of what Lost in the Storm has to offer. With its rich character development, intricate plot, and profound themes, this book is sure to be a compelling read. Thank you for joining us to explore the captivating world of Juliette Ashbourne's Lost in the Storm. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and reviews, and don't forget to like this video.